Right, the riveting tool is inserted into the drill chuck, tightened up as usual. Right. Put the drill into reverse, rotate it till you hear it click. That's now ready to accept the rivet. There's a number of different sized nozzles for different rivets. Put the rivet in. If you don't want it to fall, you can hold it while you work it, or if you don't want it to fall out, put the drill into forward drive, just move it gently until it grips hold of the rivet. You can feel that now, it won't come out, so you can put it upside down. Put it into the workpiece, hold the riveter and operate the drill. Okay, just as easy as that. Now, very important to make sure that you eject the spent pin before you put another one in, otherwise you'll get a jam which will take a little bit of time to clear. It might even damage the chucks. That's it. Job done. The rivets, as you see, they work just by pulling a ball at the back of it, the workpiece. You can get various sorts, countersunk, flush, domed, all sorts. Very simple to do. Very good. Excellent tool to use. Right, so here we are then. Put a few quick rivets in to hold the back on. Yeah, now try doing that with a hand riveter and see how much your wrist aches. All nice and done. Okay.